What's going on, guys? Thomas here from Gentleman's Cave, coming at you with another video. So in my previous video I did the vlog at North Texas V-Twin, getting my headlights and blinkers upgraded, so thought we'd do a video, go try them out. Here's what they look like. He had to take off that front fairing to install them, so I had him go ahead and leave it off. I love the way it looks a lot better. So let's go for a ride here and try them out. It's crazy. This is the first time I rode this thing at night. Had it for like 8 months. I just now broke 1,800 miles. I need to get out and ride. If we're having a Mexican standoff here. Honestly, like I said, this is my first time riding at night, so I don't know how brighter it would be than the factory. Since this is my first time riding at night, I really wish I would have swapped out my visor on my helmet. I had the Scorpion EXO helmet, Texas style edition. I did an unboxing video on that if you want to go check it out. I recently got a different visor for it. I got the chrome mirror visor. Kind of matches the helmet. It's got a slight tint to it, but not too much. I was out riding during the day and it certainly, yeah, didn't do much protection from the sun, but I really wish I would have swapped my visor out. But it's not too bad. I got the 2021 1200 iron. Got plenty of videos on it. If you go to my channel, check them out. If it's the first time seeing my channel, subscribe, hit the like button. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing moto vlogs pretty regularly. Let's see, I got beer topic, whatever. Yeah, mainly just doing a night riding video. I'm about to go through a downtown area up here in a small town in North Texas, Grayson County. About to be on the highway soon. Here in about a few minutes. I don't even know how well the quality of this video is going to be. I got the GoPro Hero 8, the media mod. I did turn up the ISO max to 3200. That's supposed to be better for nighttime. We shall see. This person's driving slow. Oh my god. Guess they're looking for a parking spot. Curious to see this video when I get home. So I'd like to see how bright the road actually looks. Like I say, I got this tinted, slightly tinted visor on. I should have swapped them out, but it's not too bad. But be on the highway here in just a minute. So yeah, I'm using the GoPro Hero 8 Black with the media mod to do this video. how to do get a moto vlog set up to do like I'm doing. I did do a video on how I did it, titled my moto vlog setup. You can go check it out. The parts are fairly cheap. It was like 60 bucks and installed within minutes, and not perfect, but you know, it works without spending, especially, you know, without spending too much money. So like I said, I'm in North Texas, about to get on Highway 69 in Grayson County. To Highway 69. Not driving. It's the first time I rode it at night. It's a little bit scary because I like to be able to see the road, you know, if I got a big pothole coming up. Like I say, I'm curious to watch this video because, like I said, I should have swapped my visors out, but you know, it's not too bad, but I'm sure that would have helped a lot. So yeah, the LED headlight, I forgot what brand I used. Forgot. It's only 200 bucks, and for the blinkers it was only $80. So it's fairly, you know, not too expensive. I wish I would have rode this at night before, that way I could see, kind of tell how big of a difference it is. But it's LED, so he said it's going to be way brighter than the factory, and it being LED, it's less, you know, drain on the battery as well. I mean, like I said, the one I got was 200 bucks. They had some for 500. I'm sure they're way better, but yeah, I wasn't trying to spend that much on it. Wish this car wasn't in front of me so I can test the high beam. I can see better going back than I was going the other way. I guess my eyes adjusted to the night a little bit. Like I say, I'm got the GoPro 8. Hopefully this video quality turns out good. My last few moto vlogs, I was running in 4K 30 frames per second. I decided to switch to 1080p so I can get the 60 frames per second. So, you know, making these videos, I mean, 4K is not everything. I've had a couple of my moto vlogs, they turned out in 4K, but quality wasn't as good. I had, you know, I had something down turned too low. I forgot what it was. I think it was the exposure down too low. So I fixed that. I just switched to auto. So we'll see how this turns out. Shouldn't be too bad. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. You know, like I say, I'm going to be doing moto vlogs pretty regularly, motorcycle topic. Like I say, this is a 2021 1200 iron Harley Davidson. Already got several mods. I'll be doing more mods, more videos about that, whatnot. Got my own brand of beard care products. You can get them at gentleman'scave.net. I'll leave the link in the description. If you have GoPros or thinking about getting one, I would recommend them. You know, there's things I do like, there's things I don't like, but if you're going to be doing vlogs, you definitely want a GoPro in your collection. Yeah, they're kind of expensive, but you know, you can always try to find a good used one, make sure the lens isn't scratched. I got the 8, I got the 9, I have the Max on the way. It's the one that's got the camera on the front and back, and it records in 360, so make some really cool moto vlogs with that. Can't wait to get it. Hopefully I'll get it Monday. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm about to pull in here at this gas station so I can turn the camera off. I don't want to try to do it while I'm driving here. And I'll get to show you what the LED headlights and blinkers look like again. Found a spot out of everybody's way. Let's see. Yeah, like I say, hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Like I say, it's my 2021 1200 iron. Yeah, here's what the LEDs look like again. So the blinkers are lit up, but they do turn yellow when you hit the blinker. Oh, that was a horn. They do turn yellow. So yeah, hope this video helps. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I say, subscribe, hit the like button. See you on the next one.